would like to also further reiterate that at the point where the pandemic is, and with the fact that we've established community transmission, it becomes important to ensure that county preparedness is now the key priority moving forward. And in this regard, as you all know, we are witnessing community spread, and county facilities therefore require to be ready to be able to contain this virus. We therefore appeal to counties to move with speed, to utilize the 5 billion Kenya shillings that has already been disbursed to them to ensure that they upgrade their health facilities in readiness of managing COVID-19 cases. Turning on to now our current COVID-19 situation, 134 people have tested positive from 3,177 samples that were tested in the last 24 hours. This therefore brings the total number of positive cases to 2,474, with the total samples collected and tested so far being 90,875. The positive cases include about 131 Kenyans and 3 other foreign nationals. Out of the 134 cases, Mombasa has 67, Nairobi County has 31, Busia 15, Machakos 5, Taita Taveta 4, Kilifi, Nakuru 2 cases each, Garissa, Murang'a, Kisumu, Uasin Gishu, and Kajiado each have 1 case. The cases are distributed in the following sub-counties as follows. In Mombasa, from the 67 cases, we have 25 in Kisauni, 12 in Jomvu, Changamwe and Mvita have 10 cases, and Likoni has 1 case. In Nairobi, the 31 cases are from Kibera, we have 19, Westlands 7, Makadara 3, Langata and Embakasi East 2, Ruaraka, Kasarani, and Embakasi South have 1 case each. And in Busia, all the 15 cases are from truck drivers at the border points. In Machakos, all the 5 cases are from Athi River, and in Taita Taveta, all the 4 cases are from truck drivers at Taveta. In Kilifi, the 2 cases are both one from Kilifi South and the other from Kilifi North. In Kiambu, 2 cases from Ruiru and Kabete, while in Nakuru, 2 cases from Naivasha. Garissa has 1 case at Dadaab, while in Murang'a we have 1 case at Makuyu. Kisumu has 1 case, and this is in Kisumu Central. And Uasin Gishu do have 1 truck driver from Turbo. Kericho has 1 case, and Kajiado has 1 case. And allow me perhaps to emphasize, the reason why we are disaggregating this data for you is to really establish and to inform members that this disease is now within our communities. Just from the statement that I've read, you can see we've literally touched on most of the corners of the country. And so we do need to really take personal responsibility. And in terms of gender, we have 98 of them being males and 36 being female, with the youngest being 6 years old and the oldest 70. Today, we are also happy to report we've discharged 51 from various health facilities, bringing our total number of recoveries to 643. And for these recoveries, we really do continue to express our appreciation and gratitude to all healthcare workers and to all Wazalendos who have really dedicated and been committed in terms of beating coronavirus. Sadly, we have lost 1 more patient to the disease, and this brings the total fatalities to 79. And our deepest condolences to the families of the departed. And finally, as we conclude, we would like to emphasize that it is important that we keep repeating the 3 take-home messages to all of you, which are, as you all know, please wash your hands often with soap and running water, avoid close contact, stay at least 1.5 meters away from each other, and please wear your masks and wear them correctly.